friends, welcome to Amaara Cuisine. This is Vasanthi and today's recipe is Atta Masala Dosa. Now let's see what are the ingredients needed to prepare this dosa. First of all, we need to take 1 cup of atta, oil as per need, half teaspoon salt or according to taste, 1/4 cup of curd, 1/4 cup of onion chutney, 3/4 cup of chopped onion, green chilies, coriander and grated carrot, a pinch of sugar and soda. Now let's take a bowl, add atta into it, add curd, add sugar and soda, salt, give it a mix, add oil, mix it again. Now add water. Add water little by little. Do not add water at once. See that there are no lumps in the batter. Our batter should neither be too thick neither too thin. This should be the consistency of the batter. Sprinkle some water on hot tawa. Take a ladle full of batter and spread it evenly on hot tawa. Wait for few seconds. Now add onion chutney on top of dosa and spread it slowly all over the dosa. Now spreading onion chutney, add oil onto the edges of dosa and then add chopped onions, green chilies, coriander and grated carrot. Now turn dosa to one side slowly. Now flip dosa to other side. That's it, our Atta Masala Dosa is ready. Our Atta Masala Dosa is ready to serve now. It will be very tasty. It goes well with onion chutney or groundnut chutney. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video with a new recipe.